kids, I am so glad you're here. We are about to make banana bread. Just waiting on Rachel. Are you expecting somebody? Hello?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make it in today.
Oh, is everything okay?
I'm not feeling well.
Well, it looks like it's just gonna be you and me. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Start by spraying your loaf pan with cooking oil. Next, you're gonna cut a piece of parchment paper roughly the size of the bottom of the pan and lay it down. This is just gonna ensure that our banana bread doesn't stick to the bottom. Hello? Who is this?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana Nana.
So sorry about that. So once you've prepared your pan, you can set it aside. In a small bowl, put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Just 1 second. Who is this?
Banana.
Banana who?
Banana Nina.
And you're just gonna stir that together. Now grab a large bowl, and to that we're gonna add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup, oh my goodness, you have got to be kidding me. Who is this?
Orange.
Orange who?
I'm glad I didn't say banana. Ha!
Next, add 1/2 cup of white sugar. Now you wanna add 1/3 cup of melted butter. And we're just gonna take our whisk and cream that together. Now to our bowl, we're gonna crack 2 whole eggs. Should I answer it? Hello?
Hi, Jean.
Oh, hi, Jack. I'm in the middle of a bake, so...
What is your sheep's favorite fruit?
What?
A banana.
Okay, where was I? Right, 2 eggs in the bowl, and you're just gonna mix that together. Now to your bowl, add 1/2 cup of milk, and now let's add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Hello?
Jean, how does a banana answer a phone? Yellow!
Now it's time to mix in your dry ingredients. It wouldn't be banana bread if we didn't add to it 3 very, very ripe bananas. And just stir that in. Hello!
Hello.
Oh, hi, Harlow.
Why do the bananas never get lonely, Jean?
Why?
Because they hang out in bunches. Goodbye. Ha ha.
Now it's time to pour our batter into our prepared pan. This banana bread is ready for the oven. We're gonna bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Now, after 45 minutes, kids, we're gonna lower the oven's temperature to 325. We're gonna cover this pan with tin foil so the edges don't get too brown, and check the loaf every 10 minutes. Know your banana bread is done when you stick a wooden skewer into the center of the loaf. Pull it out, and if there's no banana goo on it, it's done. Once your banana bread comes out of the oven, allow it to cool completely before slicing.
Hello? Jean, how's it going?
Well, Rachel, I've just been trying to make banana bread for like 2 hours, and you just keep calling and calling and calling and calling.
You should make like a banana and split. Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake. We'll see you next week. Jean, still there?
Uh-huh. Oh, I'm here. I'm just eating my peelings. Now that I'm all done baking, I'm totally available and around to accept calls. So, I'm sure it's just gonna ring any minute.
Yeah, I'll take a large pizza. Pepperoni. Green peppers.
Hello?
Well, that's a good deal.
Probably gonna call me anytime. Call me.
Yeah, extra cheese.
It's okay. It's totally fine. I didn't want to talk to them anyway.
Do you have any of the hot wings?
Why won't you call?
Yeah, we could do the garlic sticks.
Bring.